Today we like to wish Woody Woodpecker a happy 83rd birthday. He has been around since he was first introduced on the Andy Panda short Knock Knock back on November 25th, 1940. One year before he has his own theatrical short, first theatrical short, in 1941. Since they were originally made to be shown in theaters, and he later had his own TV show. And he also made a cameo in Who Framed Roger Rabbit. And he also has his own TV series on the Fox Kids network from 1999 till 2002. And now his most recent web series, which just came out since 2018. And he's been popular all over the world. Woody is one amazing woodpecker.